Now is the time to upgrade your Delta bandsaw machine and optimize your cutting experience with Sawblade.com's quality aftermarket guide kits. I'm product specialist Celeste here with the Delta 14-inch hex post riser block bandsaw guide upgrade kit. This is an economical, easy to install solution that will help you improve your performance, increase your blade life, machine production, and produce straighter, faster cuts. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid high-grade aluminum and utilize performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with 2 front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All 3 of these bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This specific Delta guide kit is adjustable for blades 3/16 of an inch to 1 inch, and it's for users who have a hexagonal upper guide post and a riser block installed. This heavy-duty kit comes complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper machined guide blocks, a machined replacement hex post, precision bearings, and a replacement slotted blade guard. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Delta aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts, such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, please check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and we stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing that you are getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.